Okay, we have finished the 71 Chevelle, running good. Charging system gone through, motor is in. We got the power seats going, the moldings are all on. We touched up a couple spots on it where there was some small little chips. Turned out rather nice on that fender. So it is looking pretty good. And now the power seats work. They're all the way installed. We also installed the trim. We tightened up the headliner. I mean, this is a really good car. I reduced it to $29,490. This is for a 355 built engine with a turbo 350, 12 bolt rear end, power steering, power brakes, brand new leather power seat interior out of a Ford 500, tubular control arms, upper and lower, trailing arms are boxed, all new coil springs, shocks, sway bars. So this is a extremely complete, nice driving car. Less than 200 miles on the engine. I do have all the receipts for that. We put it in. Auto Machine in St. Charles did all the work on it for us. The only thing we don't have here is the radio, and I didn't want to put a radio in because I don't know what style they want. We do have radios in stock that look like the factory, but look at how nice these seats turned out. And they are power. So this car is pretty complete. This was an air conditioning car, but because of the bigger valve cover gaskets and because of the roller rockers, it did not go over that. So that's what the guy said, and he didn't put the bracket in there, else we probably could have made that bracket, modified it to work. So if someone wants air conditioning in this, you'll just need a bracket, the compressor, and the two lines. Everything else is in the system. And it was a South Carolina car, and he said it was working here. I don't know if I believe him, but that's what he said, all right? So this is a really unbelievable underneath. There's video on our YouTube to see the floors and the trunk pan and the frame. I don't think you'll find a Chevelle this nice or complete anywhere around for anywhere near this price. 630-443-4582. That's the number to Charlestown Classics. Come on down.